Shalom, y'all. Today, I'm outside of my kid's house. And I've been working on things. And the latest project is this little window right here. As you can see, it's got clamps on it. I'll turn it around and try to explain what's going on.
Won't you take me home? Give me wings to fly. We can run away. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me...
So, for right now, what I'm gluing is the two parts of the window. They have become separated, and so I am trying to adhese the two together. And that's why the clamps are on. What started the whole project is this little part right here. It fell off at some point and got lost. It originally was a different color and a different style, but I found something that I'm hoping will work. And so it goes on the little operator arms. Let me see if I can show you. Okay, these little operator arms slide along in here, and this attaches to the window. And this one was actually made to go on a wooden casement window, and so it was meant to be screwed in. Well, I can't screw it into glass, so I am going to be using 2-part epoxy on it to try to adhese the piece of metal to the glass, and then I should be able to operate my window. And this is my most important window because that's where my bed is, and I use that window, open and close it all the time. What I had done when I noticed the part missing, I put a piece of Gorilla Tape right here to help secure the window, and then a piece on the inside. And then when I was traveling, I was also putting tape from here to here with the window closed, just to try to secure it and try to keep it from falling off, because that little piece, even though its main function is to open and close the window, it also helps secure the window while in travel, I would assume. So anyway, right now I'm not gluing it. It's loose actually right now. You can't tell it because of how I've got things clamped. But I decided to do it in 2 parts so that hopefully the 2 windows will seal together. I don't know if they will. If they don't, oh well, that's not my main goal. My main goal is to get that other little part on there. So, wish me luck! That's going here, but I thought I'd show you some of the tools that I've been using in this project. Cotton, acetone to get off old adhesive, or if I make a big mistake and I need to get stuff off, plus a flat blade scraper, and the blade that I had in there had a lot of adhesive on it from me cleaning, some fresh adhesive from me cleaning up after I was putting the adhesive on the window. So I went ahead and took the blade out while it was still wet so that it wouldn't get glued, and then I'll put a new blade in later. These blades are just some other ones that I have. They fit into a regular carpet knife, and I don't need that right now. But anyway, situation from inside. This is just a little piece of weather stripping that I had on there to help keep cold weather out. I'll probably put it back after I get done doing this. If it won't stick, then I'll just get some more. But here's the little piece that I was telling you I'm replacing. And so it works on these little operator arms to open and close the awning window. And so the part before was more like this color. You can't even hardly tell it's there. But I had to order what I could get. And if I think about it, I'll even put what the part number is, just in case somebody else has the same problem. Kitchen window, and this shows the original part. It is looking through a screen, so it's a little hard to see it. But that is the part that fell off and got lost. And then I'm replacing. So the website I got that from is swisco.com, swisco.com. Phone number is 888-991-1929. And the part number itself is, it's 1045. It's a 13.5-inch operator track. I did have to cut it in half. The product code number is 39520. And with shipping and everything, it costs $23 approximately. So the shipping actually cost more than the part itself. But hey, it's a lot cheaper than a window. In the distance is a historic round barn in Arcadia, Oklahoma. I just know that. I didn't even see the signs. Up here on the right is going to be a round barn. There's a chicken shack. Looks popular. Where's the round? Oh, there's the round barn. Right past the Sinclair. There it is, the historic round barn. Cool. Oh, I think we're going to something soon in the distance. I see.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left.
Do you see anything ahead that might be interesting? Oh, that's weird, huh?
Turn left. Then, turn left.
Turn left.
Turn left. Then, your destination will be on the right.
All the memories we made under the summer sun, chasing after waves, a taste of berries on my tongue.
What'd you get?
Unicorn magic. It kind of looks like it's droll with magic inside. And then
what's
this
another one?
one looks like it's unicorn droll.
Oh my goodness, and what does it say on top? Remember? On top? On the top.
Totally gross soda.
And then I got Howling Ginger Beer.
I also got carbonated water. It should taste like orange. No idea quite yet.
Okay.
I got that.
And that's a Japanese or Korean or what?
It looks like it's Japanese.
Okay, Japanese. And then what's this one?
Dad's old-fashioned root beer.
Ah, so you're going to try Dad's Old Fashioned, huh?
Yes.
Very cool.
And my granny picked this one out for my dad. It's Radio.
I thought you picked it out.
You helped.
I helped. Oh, okay.
You were the one who said we should get one of these, and then I picked this one.
Okay.
Original rock and rye.
That sounds weird, huh?
It sounds gross, but we did not pay attention to that.
And where did we get all these?
From Pops on Route 66.
In Arcadia, Oklahoma. Very cool. Even the little 6-pack holder's kind of cool, huh?
A little bit.
Yeah, that's cool.
We should actually keep this.
Huh? Maybe.
Sipping on a feeling, sunny's got me healing, vibing out to your guitar. I don't wanna go yet, watch another sunset, wishing on a shooting star. Ooh, I know
Matters not to me.
it has to end.
Right on grass or gravel?
Okay. That's fine.
Why are you making a video?
Why not?